What's going on? This is part 2 of the build for the GMC here. So basically what I done there last night was I managed to get all the pieces cut. You can see here the floor is 3/4 inch MDF. You can see the PL there. So pretty much what I done was I put the first two layers down. I glued them together, PL'd them, bolted them through the floor with 2 leg bolts here, 2 leg bolts down there, 2 in the middle, and I countersink them, and then I put this third sheet over it and glued, and you can see some screws here, screwed it in. So the floor is 3 sheets thick. I do got a couple little gaps. You can see what I did here. You can see up there the floor steps up here, goes up into a big hump. So what I did with that was I added some boards, put an angle, and so you can see the floor just goes, steps up. Before I only had about 30 inches of the box, which went to about here for my last build. Now I'm got about 35 inches that I can work with, which is a lot better, a lot more room. So you can see what I've done. There's a step up right here, big hump in the truck. So I stepped this up with this angle, and then back here you can see here there's another step up here. So I had to do one more step up, and just the exact same thing. This here is screwed to this here, and it's bolted down in that hump up there, and this last piece is not bolted, it's just simply screwed into this piece here. So that's the floor done. But what I want to do is, you can see I got some voids here right across. So I went and bought 3 cans of spray foam, and what I'm going to be doing is just spray foaming that gap there underneath there. I'll spray foam the back underneath that there corner right here that you can see in there. Exact same thing over on that side, and then underneath here the front of the box. It goes in, you can see here where the floor steps up here, so there's probably 2 or 3 inches. So I'm just going to end up foaming all that in as well. I'll peel this carpet back a little bit more and get the foam in there. So that's what we got done so far. This will be the last step in finishing the floor, and then we'll go on to, I believe, probably the back. We'll get the back up so high, the back's only going to be able to come up to probably this groove here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 2 or 3 sheets of MDF on the roof, even though I got 2 sheets on there already. I'm going to bring it down just a little bit more, try to get it even with this gap here, and then I'll just do a 45 in here to put that down and connect the two. So that's the plan. So right now we're going to go ahead and get this, I'll get this loaded up onto the tripod, and I'll get that foam open. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to start over on the other side there. Actually, no, I'll start right here and get this done. Get that done for us. And we'll try lowering this tripod here. Okay, there we go. Now we got a little bit better of a view there. I'll get this can open and I'll be right back. Okay, get the can all geared up there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get the straw in there as far as I can get her, and just start hammering it. Fill right up. so I'll let that expand there. I'm going to do the exact same thing here in the back. Just give it an actually a little bit of support back here. There we go. So I got that all geared up there. It's pretty good there. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead, move around, do the exact same thing on the other side. See, I got the exact same voids here going on, so just add some strength to them. We'll stiffen them up a bit. I'll bring that camera down here a bit more, see if we can gather a bit more of this footage here that's going in. Let's see. There we go. I'm not just looking at the rust of the truck. So there's the void you see we used to be able to see through there, now we can't anymore. Get that straw in there again as far as I can get it. Just let her go. See, that's filling up in there pretty good. It's all starting to come out there now. Oh, nice and filled up in there and take up that whole space. I noticed last build how much the slightest little leak of air changed things, and how good how big of a difference it makes when it's fully sealed. So I'm going to take some extra steps this time and try to do a little bit better of a job of getting all the places that the air would get by sealed up. It's going to help me with the wind as well. Windy. Alright, so the last spot is just back there. I'm going to get that straw in there and hammer. See here, she's starting to fill up on that. See it filling up there now. And once this foam's done, I'm going to wait. It takes probably 8 to 12 hours to fully cure. And I'm pretty sore today anyway, so I don't feel like doing much. So I'm gonna let this foam dry, and then tomorrow we're gonna go ahead and tackle hopefully the back after I'm done going to my mother's to eat Easter dinner there. So we got that filled up nice and good there now. Oh, fucking drop the foam everywhere. Let's get that off of there. Oh good, it went right on the pen. Put that down there. Alright, so got that all foamed up. Took one can. Still gotta do the front, but I gotta peel the carpet back for that. So check that at the back of the truck. You can see this side here starting to come out. I'm gonna have to do some trimming. And maybe even another tiny little spray once this is done. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these sheets moved forward, peel back that there carpet up front, and get some foam into that. We got, like I said, a little bit of a void underneath here, so I'm gonna get the sheets up, put some wood on that to hold the carpet back. I'll get that there bit of a void filled. And then boom, the floor will be done. It's not looking pretty right now. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a nice sanding, make everything nice and smooth. Once it's done, it'll look good then. But the plan right now is just to get her built. So that's pretty much it for the floor. You guys, like I said, no need of recording me doing that there little front piece. It's pretty much just what you guys seen. So next time, when we start part 3 is going to be the back wall. So we'll move on to that hopefully tomorrow night. Thanks for watching.